Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I hope you are in a good health, enthusiastic, and ready for today. Today, I will presentation an infrastructure project, namely the Trans Java Toll Road project. Previously, let me introduce myself. I am Muhammad Haidar Al Hanif, a civil engineering student at Singaperbangsa University in Karawang. I would like to thank to the lecturer of the course Miss Fatma Raini, who has taken the time to listen and prepare for our presentation. So let's start this. Okay, the title is Exploring Trans Java Toll Road Infrastructure Project. My NPM is 2410631620025. Next, the introduction. The Trans Java Toll Road is one of the largest infrastructure projects in Southeast Asia. This project connected the western tip of Java Island like Merak and Banten to the eastern tip like Banyuwangi in East Java. Its main objectivity is to improve accessibility and connect the connectivity between regions, as well as support national economic growth. The location, the toll road stretches over 1.150 kilometers, crosses six provinces like Banten, DKI Jakarta, West Java, Central Java, DIY Yogyakarta, who was in under construction now, and the East Java. The major city pairs through include Jakarta, Bekasi, Cirebon, Semarang, Solo, Surabaya, Probolinggo, and it will come into Banyuwangi. The purpose and the significance first is to accelerate the distribution of goods and movement of the people between cities and provinces in Java. Second is to reduce national logistic costs and support the national logistic system, or in Indonesia named SIS System Logistik Nasional. Three is for the encourage regional economic growth and explain the investment opportunity, especially in areas that were previously difficult to reach. Next is the history and background. The idea of building a cross-Java toll road has been around since the 1990s. This project was hampered by the 1998 monetary crisis, then revived during the era of President SBY or Susilo Yudhoyono. Accelerating the development occurred during the administration of President Joko Widodo through government-private partnership or Triple P and state-owned construction companies. And this is the technical specification of the Trans-Java Toll Road. The total length is more than 1.150 kilometers, consisting of many toll road sections. The number of lanes, minimum is two direction by each lanes, can be expanded to three up to four lanes as needed. The pavement type is a mixture of flexible asphalt and rigid or concrete pavement. Facility is flyover, interchange, rest area, automatic toll booths, and intelligent transportation system or ITS. The construction process. The first is stage is feasibility study and I'm done. And then acquisition, earthwork like cut and fill, road body construction, asphalting or casting, installation of marking and support facility aboard. The heavy equipment used is asphalt paver, tandem roller, excavation, crane, and boring machine for bridge. The technical challenge of the construction process is highly topography, stable soil puncture, high rainfall, and social barrier. Next is the important section. In this front job story is many important section like the first is Jakarta Cikampek, the basis section including the elevated toll road, and then Pejagan to Pemang, the key of connectivity in western to central Java. And this Nawi Kartasura is the accelerating the distribution of goods to the eastern region. And the last is the Probolinggo Banyuwangi. This is the last section under construction. So we also have the section between the Solo for Kartasura to the Jogja who still under construction right now. This is the stakeholder of this project. First is in the central government. I'm sorry, this F typo. The central government is the PPR and Bappenas. And next is the BUMN, which is a company from the government like PT Jasa Marga, PT Waskita Karya, and PT Hutama Karya. And the private sector is company that cooperate through the KBBU scheme or is pengumpulan ahli profesional. And then the local government and landowner in every section of the job. Then the environmental impact. This is the negative impact. The first is deforestation, destruction of wildlife habitat, and risk of flooding. Mitigation effort is reforestation, development the wildlife corridors, and environmentally friendly drainage system and green rest area. The total is 210.29 hectare of land was cleared for this toll road project. And then the social impact. First is relocation of resident and land compensation. Second is the emergence of new economic center around toll exit and rest area. And then it's increasing access for rural commodities to education, health, and market service. This is the challenge face of this toll road project. First is land acquisition constraints, like the legal process and price always take disagreement. And then the natural obstacle like landslide, flood, and extreme weather. They need to cut some hill that is very big. And the internal changes, the limited budget and coordination between contractor is sometimes difficult. This is the current status. It's more than 19%, 90% of the section has been operational. And session will still is in under construction is Probolinggo to Banyuwangi and from Road to Yogyakarta. Each all system and emergency managed continue to be developed. And like the before, way from two was uh, gently added three and four lane. It's the benefits and advantage. First benefit is time reduction. The travel from Jakarta to Surabaya reduced from 15 hours to around just 8 hours. That almost half time reduction. And then the second benefit is logistic. It's reduced logistic distribution costs and support industrial competitiveness. And the third is economic growth. It accelerates the growth of the tourism sectors and investment. We'll go next. This is my personal opinion for this total project. First is this project is an important breakthrough for Indonesia's infrastructures. Second opinion, a success of this toll road shows the synergy between the government and the private sectors. And this suggestion for this project is at an affordable toll price and increase environmentally friendly facilities. This is the conclusion. The Trans-Java Toll Road has changed the face of national transportation. Second, this project must provide an example of a successful module development that has a wide impact. And the third is expected to be an inspiration for other cross-island development projects like in Trans Sumatra Toll Road, Trans Sulawesi, Trans Papua, Trans Kalimantan, or Toll Road in Bali, NTB, and NTT. So thank you for the listening and giving attention for my presentation. My name is Muhammad Hanif, and thank you for the time.